we said, let's not be like everybody else. Let's not come up with a new piece of software that just allows a company to do a process better. Let's help a company reap back and look at how to make employees more productive by leveraging their existing assets and infrastructure to do that. Let's look at the top 10% of functionality of software and let's bring that to life. And let's bring that to life in the mobile devices. Today's world is just different than it was before. Today's world is filled with consumers bringing devices to work, now as employees, that companies don't have control over. I mean, we have release of the iPhone, the iPad, the Android devices, the Android tablets, and the upcoming release of Windows 8, which is truly going to transform an industry and turn it on its head. It'll be the first time where an IT organization has to react to what consumers bring into the office versus what they have sitting in their inventory. So it's a changing time, and SuperConnect's here to help companies address that, to help get employees engaged, to help to create dynamic, rich user experiences on these devices and leverage existing software and infrastructure to make that become a reality, to make employees more productive. I really think if you think about the element of working better, that's what we're going to be here to do. Once you created that personal experience and you begin to look at that element of creating a one-to-one relationship that's more than just a listing in a directory, you're going to see us talk about things such as helping people be educated and learn about how they go about their business, how they become more efficient, how they can go to a meeting, and before that meeting, know that as I meet with that individual, here's what I owe that individual, here's the approvals I may owe that individual, here's what that person went through. It's truly going to what I call create a connected work environment, trying to help these companies capitalize on these buzzwords. I mean, you hear all the time about social technologies and mobile technologies and collaboration, and these are great buzzwords people use. But what SuperConnect should do is change the environment so people are able to leverage that and get a better work experience. And the beauty of this is that when you're working with a great consulting firm like Slalom and you're part of that family, its spirit of entrepreneurialism really lives. And our CEO had a great vision for the future before his time and had these great mobile applications that he was building. And what needed to happen was we had an opportunity to take our consulting business and create a product division within inside of it and essentially allow ourselves to diversify our business, but also allow ourselves to help our customers reach their goals in a way that's scalable and reliable. As SuperConnect, we look 12 months out for where SuperConnect will really be. Hopefully when we look back at this, we've delivered our first application connections. We've started to add in what we'll call enterprise gamification and self-service elements around that. And then we've really started to create integration points. We've gone to the vendors and software companies like Microsoft and SAP and Salesforce and really begun to tap into that functionality that the customers need to use. I would love to see a day where an executive using the SuperConnect platform walked into a meeting, was able to approve vacations while he was on the way over there, look at a personal scorecard and see what the individual's task score or measurement was so that they can help that employee reach their goals through their productivity measures. If we're helping executives and employees work better together, we've accomplished our goals, we've created a connected relationship, and we've truly reached out from where we started at the beginning. I mean, if you think about this, we started today talking about connecting individuals and bringing them to life. And the next step of bringing them to life is to making them more productive. And 12 months from now, I hope we're making that come true.